Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial but often overlooked topic: what to carry in your personal medical kit on motorcycle adventures. As you know from my other videos, this is a topic which is near and dear to my heart. Whether you're riding through serene countryside or challenging terrains, being prepared for medical emergencies is just as important as having your helmet on. So let's ensure you're equipped with a medical kit that's as reliable as your motorcycle. First things first, pack the basics. Adhesive bandages in various sizes are essential for those small yet pesky cuts and scrapes that seem to find us all. Throw in some gauze pads and adhesive tape for larger wounds. Antiseptic wipes or solution can help clean minor injuries, reducing the risk of infections. Next up, include a few pairs of disposable gloves. They are crucial for protecting both yourself and others when providing first aid. Also, add a pair of tweezers, which are handy for removing splinters or debris from wounds. Don't forget medical-grade scissors, useful for cutting clothing, tape, or bandages. I don't leave the house without my Leatherman Raptors. A digital thermometer is a nice-to-have to monitor body temperature if you're feeling under the weather. Consider carrying a few survival blankets, too. They're compact and useful for keeping warm in cases of shock or unexpected weather changes. Pain relief is a must on adventurous trips. Pack over-the-counter pain relievers, such as ibuprofen or acetaminophen, to manage discomfort or inflammation. Antihistamines are also important for tackling unexpected allergies or insect bites. Speaking of bites, carrying a small tube of hydrocortisone cream can help soothe insect bites or mild skin irritations. Rehydration salts are a lifesaver if you find yourself dealing with dehydration in hot weather or after a tough ride. Lastly, if you have any personal medications, ensure you have enough to last your trip, along with a note of your medical conditions and emergency contacts. Remember, your medical kit should be easily accessible, so stash it in a secure but reachable spot on your bike. Review and replenish its contents before each ride, and consider taking a basic first aid class. Stay safe and ride on with confidence. Be smart, be prepared, and let the road lead your adventures.